Shut up and sit down.
10 lines on Minorities' Rights Day in India for kids, children, school students, and competitive exams in English. Set 1. 10 lines on Minorities' Rights Day in India for kids. Set 1 is helpful for students of classes 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1. The Minorities' Rights Day in India was first observed in the year 2013 and the date was set to the 18th December. 2. This day is observed to preserve the rights of the minority groups in India. 3. The day is also celebrated to bring better awareness and understanding about the religious minorities in the country. 4. The true hallmark of democracy prevailing in a country is given by providing equal rights to minorities. 5. Educating people about the rights of minority communities is vital to ensure their safety in India. 6. The United Nations declared the Statement on the Individual's Rights belonging to religious or linguistic, national, or ethnic minorities on 18th December of 1992. 7. It was the beginning of 2006 when the Ministry of Minority Affairs was established. 8. The communities that have been notified as minorities in India are Christians, Muslims, Sikhs, Zoroastrians, Parsis, Jains, and Buddhists. 9. Separate minority commissions are set up in many states of India for the people belonging to minority communities in that particular states. 10. The offices of the state minority commissions are mostly situated in the capital cities of the states. Set 2. 10 lines on minorities' rights in India for school children. Set 2 is helpful for students of classes 6, 7, and 8. 1. The fundamental human rights that every individual deserves, especially those belonging to minority communities, are called minority rights. 2. Minorities' rights are an integral part of the international human rights law. 3. The minority rights apply to people of different ethnicities, religious or linguistic minorities, and indigenous people. 4. The Minorities' Rights Day is celebrated in India on the same day as when, in 1992, the UN General Assembly proclaimed the Declaration on the Rights of Persons, rights belonging to religious or linguistic, national, or ethnic minorities. 5. Minorities' rights was first observed in the year 2013 all across the nation. 6. The objective behind the announcement of 1992 by the UN was that minority identities belonging to various cultural or backgrounds must be respected, protected, and preserved. 7. The Ministry of Minority Affairs on 26 January 2006 was carved out of the Ministry of Social Justice and Environment. 8. The policies generated by the Ministry regarding the planning, coordination, evaluation, and review of the development program for the benefit of minority communities. 9. In India, affirmative actions or quotas are preserved in several educational and job opportunities for minority communities. 10. We should come together to live in harmony in society by discarding discriminatory thoughts and actions against minority groups. Set 3. 10 lines on minorities' rights in India for higher class students. Set 3 is helpful for students of classes 9, 10, 11, 12, and competitive exams. 1. In India, minority rights is an important day of observance for educating Indians about the rights of minority communities. 2. Only 19% of the total population of India consist of minorities. 3. The states in India where the minority habitat majorly is Punjab, Jammu and Kashmir, Nagaland, Lakshadweep, Mizoram, and Meghalaya. 4. Minorities' Rights Day in India is celebrated to commemorate when the United Nations proclaimed the Declaration on the Rights of Persons rights belonging to religious or linguistic national or ethnic minorities on 18th December 1992. 5. The main aim behind the celebration of Minorities' Rights Day in India is to uphold and protect people's privileges to have a place with linguistic, caste, color, or religious minorities. 6. The apex body in the Union Government of India, established to carry out welfare, development, and related regulatory programs for the minorities, is called the Ministry of Minority Affairs. 7. Under the 1992 Act of India called the National Commission for Minorities Act, a National Commission for Minorities (NCM) was set up. 8. All the aspects covered by minority rights are the protection of existence, protection from the promotion of identity, participation in political life, and most importantly, protection from discrimination and persecution. 9. To provide more focused importance and approach to minority communities' related concerns, the Ministry of Minority Affairs was separated as an individual ministry from the Ministry of Social Justice and Environment. 10. A society can only achieve greatness when people of various social, political, and religious backgrounds can live in harmony by having respect and better understanding.